Welcome! If you've been using Telegram Web lately, you might have noticed some smooth new visual features being rolled out. One of the coolest additions is the Message Composer animation, which makes typing and sending messages feel more dynamic and modern. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable it on your PC in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open Telegram Web in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any issues. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. This is where Telegram lets you customize your experience. Inside Settings, find and select Animations and Performance. This section controls how smooth and visually rich your Telegram interface feels. Now, look for the option labeled Interface Animations. Under this section, you'll see the setting for Message Composer animation. Simply toggle it on, that's it. Once enabled, you'll immediately notice a more fluid and visually appealing animation when you type and interact with messages.